Yo, welcome back, guys. I know I said I was gonna finish the mini bike and make a video last week, but we were having some problems. I only got to ride it about 2 hours, and that was at the beach. And it was kind of hard to start, so I've been working on it, and I finally got it fixed. And this is gonna be the video. It was actually the valve clearance was too much valve clearance, and it was causing it not to start up. Like, you could pull it all you want, it wouldn't even start on starting fluid. And so yeah, let me get the mini bike for you guys. We'll do a little startup, and yeah, see you there. About to be there. 1 sec. Here it is. 1 sec. Alright, here it is. It's a little bit dirty, but it is what it is. I gotta clean it up. I had to take the motor off to get to the valve cover. I just hope it doesn't start leaking here soon. I'm gonna get a little startup. And make sure you guys stay tuned for upcoming videos, because this thing's gonna get a couple extra things. I mean, I did put this new pull start, new throttle cable, and new clutch. So yeah, we also have a new front rim and tire coming in for it, an actual mag tire. Let me go on ahead and do a little startup for you guys. Set you up in the truck. And hopefully you guys can see that. It should start up. It's running. I'm probably not going to do the video today on the actually driving it, because it is getting pretty dark out and cold. So yeah, like I said, stay tuned, because this thing's going to have a something coming in for it here real soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and comment what you think. Stay tuned, guys. Till the next one.